let's talk gauges. This is one of the most popular charts that I use and that a lot of my clients really, really love. So if you don't know where we are, we're opening up a card, we're going to edit an analyzer, and we're right here. Now you can go to popular charts in the top where it says chart types. And if you click it, you'll see filled gauge. You can also, though, go down to gauges and you'll see a whole slew of other types of gauges and different chart types that we can use. But let's talk about a gauge. It's super, super easy. Now, the reason why you want to use a gauge is because you want to show, well, here's where I am compared to some type of target. You want to have context to know, am I doing a good job or a bad job? Or is my department doing a good job or a bad job? It's really, really easy. All we have to do is we're going to put in two metrics. We have the thing that we want to have, our value, right, engage value, and what's our target. So here you can see I have something called SQL, sales qualified leads, and maybe my target value is a marketing qualified leads in MQL. You just pop it right there and we're done. But take a look at something. Let me show you some little tricks here and there. You see, I have this line right here, which is my target value number. But then I go all the way to a bigger number, and that's not the best user experience, right? Like, what? Why would I have a target here, but then I got another thing over here? Here's the trick. Take it and just put it as your max value as well. And now it's the full circle. And that helps a little bit for having a better user experience. So a couple of other things that we can do to make this even better is watch this. Let's pretend that I want to make this target have some words behind it. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to say label target. And look, it shows up. Here's where you can change the color. I like to keep it a gray personally, but that's what you can do. Under general, that's where you can change the color of the ring to be whatever you want it to be, the fill color and the color of the text. I like to make those the exact same because it's very weird if it's not. If it's like that, it's very tricky, right? It throws people off. So anyway, that's a very quick intro into gauges. It's a fantastic way to show at a glance, how are you doing? Are you good? Are you bad? Hey, and if you thought that was cool, I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10-minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition to this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World. And it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.